Aga na. Aray, ano ba ako? Hello, Neil. Check ko. Happy New Year din. Hello, Ella. Share na natin. Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. So for today, we will be having principal roots of rational and irrational numbers. So remember before we've studied about rational and irrational numbers. When you say rational numbers, these are the numbers that can be expressed as a quotient of two integers. On the other hand, kapag irrational number, hindi siya pwedeng i-express as a quotient of two integers. So let us have this one. Let us square the following. Kapag square, we are pertaining to number at the top, okay, upper right. So, 1 is square. So, ibig sabihin, ang kadalasan nating ginagawa dito, nakikinig pa ba? Ang kadalasan ginagawa is 1 times 2. Okay? Pero, yan ay mali. Ulitin ko ha, yan ay mali. Yung 2 doon, ibig sabihin, imumultiply mo ang 1 sa kanyang sarili. Okay? So, you have 1 times 1. And the answer is 1. Maliwanag po ito. Kapag may square, kapag halimbawang 3 yung nasa taas, 3 ang exponent, 3 beses naman yon. Halimbawa, 2 cube. 2 times 2 times 2. Maliwanag po ito. Maliwanag po. Now, let us have 2 square, meaning 2 times 2. And the answer here is 4. We have 3 square. Kapag 3 square, you have 3 times 3. Okay, the answer here is 9. And we have 4 times 4. Is it 4 times 4 or 4 times 2? Which is correct? 4 times 2 or 4 times 4? What's the correct one? 4 times 4 or 4 times 2? Correct. So that is 4 times 4. Maliwanag po ito. So the answer here, kapag in-square natin, that is 16. Okay? Next, we have 5 square, which is correct. 5 times 2 or 5 times 5? Alin dun ang tama? 5 times 2 or 5 times 5? Okay, 5 times 5. So the answer here is 25. So same way with negative numbers. Kapag may square yan, ibig sabihin, i-multiply mo ang base twice. So ang base natin dito is negative 1. So negative 1 times negative 1. Remember, kapag nag-multiply tayo ng parehong sign, ang sagot ay positive. So negative 1 times negative 1, our answer is 1. And we have negative 2 times negative 2. The answer here is 4. Next, we have negative 3 square. Kapag negative times negative, remember the correct answer or the product must be positive. So we have negative 3 times negative 3. The answer is 9. Next, negative 4 times negative 4. The answer is 16. Negative 5 times negative 5. The answer is 25. May tanong po dito. May tanong po? Parang yung mga excellence ko wala. May tanong po? Okay, proceed na tayo. Okay, sige. Now let's proceed. So yung 1, 4, 9, 16, 1, 4, 9, 16 at 25, ang tawag natin dyan ay perfect square number. Ulitin ko ha, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, perfect square number yan. Okay? So, ito po ay product ng dalawang equal integers. Kasi, ang 1 times 1 is 1. Tama? 2 times 2, we have 4. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 4 is 16. 5 times 5 is 25. Ano pa yung mga perfect square numbers? Let's have 6 times 6. Anong sagot doon? 6 times 6. That is an example of perfect square number. 6 times 6. Okay, kanino yung gamit mo, Andrew? Okay lang yan. 36, very good. 7 times 7, yung 36 ha, perfect square number yan. 7 times 7, we have 7 times 7, 49, very good. So, ang 49, ilista po natin, that is a perfect square number. Next is 8 times 8. Ang sagot ng 8 times 8 ay perfect square number din. 8 times 8, we have, okay, we have 64. Next, 9 times 9. 9 times 9, kinulang si Syra. That is 81. 81. Okay, 81. And next is 10 times 10. We have 100. Okay. So, next. So, ulitin ko ha, ang mga perfect square numbers, ang example nito ay 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, at 100. 121, 169, 196, 225, and so on. Okay, ulitin ko ha, perfect square numbers are the product of two equal integers. Next, we have, kapag naman nilagay natin ito ng radical sign, okay, or radical symbol, we are getting the square root or real root. Okay? Saira, maliwanag naman dito sa akin. Okay? So, we are getting the square root or real root. Kapag square root or real root, di ba kanina nag-multiply tayo and we discovered na kapag nag-multiply ka ng pareho ang sign, ang sagot pa rin ay positive. So, dito yung number na nasa loob ng radical sign ay 1. Okay? At ang 1, para makakuha tayo ng 1, imumultiply natin ang positive 1 times positive 1, negative 1 times negative 1. So, ibig sabihin, ang real root ay dalawa ang sign. We have positive at saka negative. Ulitin ko ha, real root, dalawang sign yan. It's either positive or negative. Next, ang real root ng 4 ay positive or negative 2. Kasi positive 2 times positive 2, what's the answer? Positive 2 times positive 2, we have 4. And negative 2 times negative 2, the answer is 4 pa din. Next is, masa baba ka, ma. Papakinggan dito, ma. We have square root of 9. So, ano yung number na kapag minultiply mo sa kanyang sarili, ang sagot ay 9? Bakit nasa 5 agad si Andrew? Okay? Ano yung number na kapag minultiply mo sa sarili, ang sagot ay 9? Isip-isip. The correct answer here is, correct, positive 3 at negative 3. So, ibig sabihin, when you multiply positive 3 times positive 3, the answer is the radicand, 9. Okay? Negative 3 times negative 3, the answer is positive 9 pa rin. Kasi, di ba, natandaan natin, when you multiply same sign, the product is always positive. Next, square root of 16. Ano yung imumultiply mo para magkaroon ka ng 16? Anong number? Imumultiply sa sarili. We have positive 4 at negative 4. Positive 4 times positive 4, the answer is 16. Yung radicand, yung number nasa loob ng radical sign. Next, negative 4 times negative 4, the answer ay 16 pa rin. Okay? Square root of 25, we have positive at negative 5. Next, what about ha? Anong number ang imumultiply, anong number ang naiisip nyo kapag tinanong ko kayo ng square root of, square root of 289. Square root of 289. Ano yung isang number kapag minultiply mo sa sarili, ang sagot ay square root of, ang sagot ay 289. Ulitin ko ha, 289. Wala pang sumasagot ha. Ulitin ko ha, 289. Very good. Ang bilis naman itong dalawang N na to. Okay. So, dalawang sagot dyan kasi I am pertaining to a real root. Real root tayo. Square root. Dalawa, di ba? Dalawang sign yan. Kulang pa ng isa. Mga anak, kulang pa ng isa. Kulang pa ng isa. Okay lang, Angela. Kulang pa ng isa. Katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, ang real root ay dalawa ang sign. It's either positive or negative. Okay? Ano kayang sagot natin dito? May kulang pa. That is... Wala pang nasagot o late lang ako. Si Princess ngayon pa lang papasok. Correct, that is negative. Okay? That is negative 17. Positive and negative 17. Okay? Always remember that. When we are pertaining or when we have to get the real root, you should have two sign. It's either positive or negative. Okay? Square root of 289 is equal to positive or negative 17. Okay. What about the next one? O, ito naman. Kapag positive lang po ang tawag dito ay principal root. Okay? Again, when you are getting the positive square root number, ang tawag dyan ay principal root. Ang principal root ay laging positive. So, kung makikita nyo dito, square root of 1, ang sagot lang ay 1. Kasi ang 1 ay principal root. Okay? Kapag tinanong ko kayo, ano ang principal root nito, ng number 289, square root of 289, you are getting the principal root. You have to give me the positive square root. Maliwanag po ang principal root ay laging positive. Next, we have here. So, yung symbol, yung parang divide, it's not divide that's the radical symbols. In other books, they are calling this one as radical sign. And then, yung letter A, it pertains to the index. Okay? And then, yung nasa loob, that is the radicand. Next, always remember, square root of perfect square is always a rational number. So, ibig sabihin, pwede siyang i-express as quotient of two integer. Kapag naman square root of not perfect square, we call that as irrational. Kapag irrational ang number, ang magiging principal root niyan ay non-terminating or non-repeating decimal. So, proceed tayo sa example. O, anong principal root na kaya ng 36? Square root of 36. Principal root it is a perfect square. Okay, yan ang radicand natin. That is a perfect square. Anong principal root nito? We have 6. Positive 6 Ulitin ko Principal root is always positive. So, when you multiply 6 times 6, the answer is the radicand 6. Okay, very good. Next, we have square root of 49. Perfect square number kaya siya? May naiisip ba kayong number na kapag pinag-multiply sa sarili, ang sagot ay 49? Meron ba? Ano kayang number to? Perfect square number ba to? Ay, sabi nila 7 daw. So, 7 times 7. Okay, so that is a rational. Yung 7 ay rational. That is a principal root. Okay? Remember, kapag may principal root, kapag perfect square yung nasa loob ng radical sign, ang principal root niyan ay rational number. Okay? So, 7 times 7 ay 49. Next, principal root ng 0.64. 0.64, principal root. 0.08. Okay? 0.08 ba? Parang nabigla ako. Kapag 0. Okay. 0.64 is a perfect square. Kapag pinag-multiply mo at ang principal root nito ay 0.8 lang. Kapag 0.08, that is 0.064. Okay? 0.8 times 0.8, the answer is 0.64. Always positive. This one, 1/4. Kapag pinag-multiply mo naman, that is a principal, ang perfect square ito. I-multiply mo naman, dalawang 1/2. The answer is 1/4. So, 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. Okay? Type next kung naiintindihan. Type next kung naiintindihan. Marceline Basares. Anong true name kaya nito? Marceline, anak, anong totoo mong pangalan? Bago ka lang sa ano ko. Okay, next na tayo ha. Anyway, itong video na to, nasa video ko na in-upload. Pero mamaya yung practice exercise, syempre, wala sa video ko yon. Para teaser muna tayo. Square root of 3. Ang 3 ba? Perfect square. Ang 3 ba ay perfect square? Is 3 a perfect square? Meron ba doon? So, naglista tayo 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. May 3 ba doon? Okay, wala. Wale. So, ang sagot natin dito ay no. Okay? Ibig sabihin, ang square root of 3, okay, sige, princess. Noted yan. No, 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 sabi ni Andrew. Namiss ko to si Andrew makulit. Okay. So, square root of 3 is irrational. Ibig sabihin, kapag kinuha mo yung principal root niya, ang magiging sagot ay non-terminating decimal. So, ito, hopefully, sana na-kopya nyo ito ha. Kasi yan yung mga, actually, these are the principal root. Okay, noted. Principal root yung nandito ha. Wala na tayo sa real root. Kasi yung pinakang focus lang natin is principal root. So, kung makikita nyo, square root of 1 is 1, square root of 4, hanggang square root of 400. Okay? So, example lang naman to, square root of 3. So, dito, kapag hindi perfect, kapag irrational, kapag hindi perfect square yung nasa loob ng radical sign, aalamin lang natin yung dalawang magkasunod or 2 consecutive integers in between. Okay? So, dito, square root of 3 ay saan malapit. Okay, saan sa dalawa? Hahanap kayo ng dalawa. Ang square root of 3 ay mas malaki sa square root of 1. Tama po? Tama po ba? Ang square root of 3 ay mas malaki sa square root of 1? Yes or no? Okay, that is yes. Next, at mas maliit sa square root of 4. Alam po saan ko kinuha yung square root of 1 at square root of 4 ha? Again, ito po ay binabasa as this one. Square root of 3 is greater than square root of 1 but less than square root of 4. Ulitin ko. Square root of 3 is greater than square root of 1 but less than square root of 4. Maliwanag po. Type next kung maliwanag po. O sige nga, i-type nyo nga yan dyan kung paano ko binasa yon. Isa pa ha, square root of 3 is greater than square root of 1 but less than square root of 4. O, i-type nyo muna bago tayo mag-next. Square root of 3, kopyahin ha, kopyahin yung sinasabi ko. Square root of 3 is greater than square root of 1. Ita-type ko na lang. Ilista nyo sa notebook nyo ha, kasi baka mamali kayo. Square root of 3 is greater. Ayan, kopyahin nyo sa notebook ha, baka mali-mali, gawin yung less than pareho yan. Kopyahin nyo mga anak. Kapag nakopya nyo na, di ba pinakopya ko to sa inyo kanina, dun sa, kapag may space pa sa notebook nyo, ayan, square root of 3 is greater than 1. Greater than is, Ay, mali spelling ko, square root. Paki-check. Square root of 4 ha. Square root of 4. Very good si Catherine. Okay? Square root of 3 is greater than square root of 1 but less than square root of 4. Maliwanag po. So, next na tayo. Marami nang next. Kunin natin ang principal root ng square root of 1. Ano is principal root ng square root of 1? We have principal root of square root of 1. Principal root of square root of 1, that is, anong principal root ng square root of 1? That is 1. Okay? Next. Medyo late yung dating sa akin. Square root of 4. Principal root ng square root of 4. Principal root ng square root of 4, we have 2. Very good. Mabilis na sila. Next, very good. Nababasa ko. So, ibig sabihin, square root of 3 is greater than 1 but less than 2. Okay? Ulitin ko ha. Square root of 3 is greater than 1 but less than 2. Maliwanag po. So, ang answer natin dyan, ang square root of 3 is between 1 and 2. O, type next kung naiintindihan po. Type next. May square root yun, Neil, ha? May square root. Wala lang yata kasing symbol dyan ng square root sa keypad nyo. Okay, next. Okay. Square root of 172. O, ito yung mga irrational, ha? Okay. Yung square root of 172 is irrational number. So, ibig sabihin, ang kanyang principal root ay non-terminating or non-repeating. Kukunin natin yung dalawang consecutive integer. So, ang principal root nito o ang tingnan natin sa chart natin, saan kaya malapit ang square root of 172? Saan malapit? You have square root of 172. So, 144 at saka saan? Saan? Ay, ang bilis, mga fast learner, oh. Okay, square root of 169. Saka, square root of 196. Okay? So, we have, kapag in-extract natin, kinuha natin yung principal root, ang square root of 169 ay 13. Okay? Square root of 196 is 14. Okay po? So, you have a square root of 172 is greater than 13 but less than 14. So, this is the answer. Square root of 172 is between 13 and 14. Type next kung naintindihan. I hope you have your copy of this, ha. O kaya kung wala kayong kopya, bisitahin nyo yung ang YouTube ni ma'am, ha. Type next po. Sino to? Okay. Square root of 97, ito din ay hindi perfect square. Ha? Skip lang natin. So, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano kunin yung dalawang consecutive number. Sino ba to? Okay. So, square root of 97, saan siya mas malapit? Saang number? Square root of 97, malapit siya sa, sabi, sa 81. At saka sa square root of 100. Ibig sabihin, square root of 97 is greater than 9 but less than 10. Okay? Maliwanag po ito. Okay, let's have a practice. Actually, I have posted this already in your... Ito lang. Ito lang, bilisan lang natin. Square root of 144. Square root of 144. Square root of 144, we have, okay, 12. Yan, nagdoble na. Next, square root of 9. Time starts now. Okay, mabilis. That is 3. Next, square root of 100. Square root of 100. 4, 3, 2. No, okay, the correct answer is 10. Tingnan niyo yung ating next, square root of 36. Parang 10 seconds na yan. Okay, that is 6. Okay, principal root tayo ha, principal root. Last one, square root of 400. Principal root tayo. Time starts now. 8 seconds yan. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is 20. Okay, next, we have square root of 7. Square root of 7. Square root of 7. 5, 4. Okay, the correct answer is 2 and 3. Malapit siya sa square root ng 4 at 9. Square root of 4 is square root of 9. Next, square root of 67. Ano nangyayari kay Nono? Si Ian. Okay. May pa-timer si ma'am. Nai-stress si Ian. Si Ian, si Andrew. We have 8 and 9. Ano bang number na natin? Square root of 30. The correct answer is 5 and 6. Square root of 115. Princess, dito ka mag-type sa GC. Nababasa ko naman siya. Ayan na. Okay, 10 and 11. Square root of 283. May pa-timer si ma'am. 2. The correct answer is 16 and 17. Okay, yung mga hindi makapag-comment sa ano kayo. Diyan kayo mag-comment sa mag-comment ka, Jovi, mag-comment ka dyan sa sa GC. Kaso paano kaya? Hindi ko rin alam yan ha. Ibaba mo lang, baka nandiyan sa baba yung live. Okay, next. Ayan, bigyan ko kayo ng wait lang. Wait lang pala, wait lang. Stop sharing tayo. Stop sharing. Okay. Relax, 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 relax. Relax kayo muna relax, relax. Punta daw sa totoong. Sino ba yung nagtatanong? Sa mga hindi makapag-comment, punta kayo dun sa app ng YouTube. Tapos, hanapin nyo yung YT ko, Chang Dayan. Okay po? Dito na ako. Relax, relax tayo ha. Relax, relax, relax. Wait lang. Tulungan nyo nga muna sa saglit lang. May papasagutan pa ako sa inyo. Medyo late nga, late ang dating. Type next kung ready na po. Type next kung ready na. So, class, kuha muna ng papel at ballpen. Ulitin ko ha, kumuha po ng papel at ballpen. Ulitin ko ulit, papel at ballpen. Kailangan pa bang ulitin? Papel at ballpen. Kapag meron na, okay, kapag may papel at ballpen na, ay labo, type next. Malabo. Type next kapag may papel at ballpen na po. Okay, pakisulat po sa papel ang date ngayon. Ulitin ko ha, isulat sa papel ang date po ngayon. Okay, ang dami nang nag-next. Share screen ko na to. Pakikopya muna po nito sa inyong notebook or sa papel. Ulitin ko, kopyahin po ito sa papel or notebook. Kasi kakailanganin nyo yun mamaya. Nandiyan na ba si ano? Type done kapag tapos na. Ulitin ko ha, type done kapag tapos na. Malabo. Ito mali. Malabo ba? Saglit na. Wait lang. Gawan ko ng paraan to. Wait lang ha. Malabo. Baka sa'yo lang, Angela, malabo. Hindi kaya? Share screen. Wait lang, gawin natin ang paraan para medyo malinaw. Niliitan ko na lang. Ayan, malabo pa rin ba? Check mo. Si Angel. Ito sa akin malinaw naman. Isa-isahin ko na lang ha. Para ano. Okay. 1 square, 1. 2 square, 4. 3 square, 9. 4 square, 16. Okay na. Sige. Kala ko hanggang 900 eh. Okay. Type done kapag tapos na. Ulitin ko. Type done kapag tapos na. Okay. Sige, sige. Okay lang, Marceline. Marceline G. Jewel ba yan? Princess? Type done kapag tapos na. 256. 16 square, 256. 256. Yan yung mga nasa yung mga sagot, ang tawag natin dyan, perfect square number. Type done kapag tapos na. Kasi kakailanganin natin yan. Mamaya. Malabo nga. Wait lang, gawan ko ng paraan. Saglit lang po. Para happy ang lahat. Yan, sinend ko na sa nyo. Sinend ko na sa inyong GC. Sinend ko na sa GC. Proceed na tayo, ha? Proceed na tayo. Okay. I'll be giving you answer, copy and answer po. I'll be giving you 3 minutes to answer this. 3 minutes, ha? Your 3 minutes starts now. Kapag nasagutan na, type done. Malinaw naman sa akin. Think of love. Be a soundtrack. Okay, done na ba? Kapag tapos na sagutan, type done. Yes, sasagutan, Catherine. Kapag hindi nakita, sinend ko sa GC. Send ko sa GC. Send ko. Wait lang. Send ko lahat sa GC. Answer na lang. Kung matatagalan kayo, answer na lang. Answer na lang. Angel, late ka na. Late sa ate Angel. Ano sagot natin sa number 1? Reveal na natin. Last 1 minute. Answer na lang. Nasend ko na sa GC, Syra. Nasend ko na sa GC yan. Hindi pa ba? Ay, hindi. Itong activity, hindi ko yun na-send sa GC. Yung sinend ko lang yung chart ng perfect square number. Hindi, malabo ba? Malabo rin ba to? Malinaw naman siya ah. Okay, sagutan na natin. Number 1. Anong sagot nyo? Number 1. Reveal ko na yung sagot ha. Tapos na ba? Type done. Kung tapos na, type done. Kapag mahina ang internet, malabo. Dito sa akin, medyo malinaw naman. Type done. Okay. Check na natin. Okay. Tamang sagot. We have 9 ang number 1. Number 2 ay 15. Very good si paraan. Number 3 ay 14. Number 4 ay 0.1. Number 5 ay 7/10. So, yung number 1 sa letter B, you have 7 and 8. Pakichekan. Number 2, you have 1 and 3. And number 3, you have 11 and 12. 4, 5 and 6. 5, 19 and 20. Okay, next po. Okay, answer only. Ulitin ko, answer only. Last na to, answer only. Aba, very good si Sarina. Answer only. Number 1, anong sagot natin? Number 1, sagutan na natin to. Square root of 900. Principal root ha? Principal root ng square root of 900. What's our answer here? Tingnan nyo yung ating square root of 900. The correct answer is 30. Correct. Number 1. Ay! Naku, na-reveal ko na tuloy. Diyos ko. Okay. Makinig po. Kopyahin po ng mabilis. Number 2. Anong sagot? Number 2. Marireveal ko ang sagot. Number 2. 0.25. Okay, correct. 0.5. The correct answer is 0.5. Number 3. Number 3, 625. Number 3, 625. Lampas yan ng ng 20. Number 3, tingnan nyo yung chart nyo. Number 3. Okay, the correct answer is 25. Number 3 ay 25. Number 4, 0.04. 0.04. The correct answer is 0. 0. 0 point ano? 0.0 0.02 ay 0.04 parang 0.2 0.2 0.2 ang number 4 natin ay 0.2 0.2 yan 0.2 number 5 1 square root of 1 over 9 square root of 1 over 9 square root of 1 over 9 parang nalilate ako ng 30 seconds 1 over 9 square root of 1 okay very good 1/3 number 5 is 1/3 okay now let's proceed with the irrational numbers rational numbers tayo between which two integers does the square root lie square root of 5 saan kaya siya makikita between ano number 1 between square root of 5 1 and 2 very good between 1 and 2 kasi square root of 1 and 1 and 2 between 2 and 3 sorry 2 and 3 4 and 9 okay 2 and 3 2 and 3 ang number 1 2 and 3 okay 2 and 3 ang number 1 number 2 square root of 71 between ano yon square root of 71 square root of 71 okay very good Angel between 8 and 9 8 and 9 square root of 19 square root of 19 square root of 19 we have between wala pa nakikitang sagot oy si Althea nandyan na pala between 4 and 5 very good Angel number 4 square root of 45 between anong consecutive number between number 4 between ano yan okay 6 and 7 very good Angel ulit ang galing naman ni Ate Angel parang gusto nang papasok kay Mami very good si Angel 6 and 7 kasi 36 and 49 number 5 last between what number between what number number 5 9 pa lang yung nag-like sa akin ha 9 pa lang 16 tayo 9 pa lang nag-like sa akin okay number 5 is 4 and 5 okay i-click nyo yung ganito muna para happy si ma'am okay may natutunan po wala click nyo yung like saka yung mga hindi pa nagsusubscribe mag-subscribe kayo para pag may video lesson si ma'am alam nyo agad si Neil very good to sa akin eh yung mga abangers ko bukas mag-upload ulit ako ha. Tingnan ko yung mga comment nyo. Okay, very good. Ay, na-reveal ko na yung isa. Just medyo. Kopyahin na lang to. Type done kung tapos ng kopyahin. Kopyahin na lang po ito. Kopyahin po yan. Kopyahin. Type done pag tapos na. 11 pa lang ang naglalike kay mama. 11 pa lang. Type done kapag tapos ng kopyahin. Very good, ano. Sino nga si Ian? Si Andrew. Type done kapag tapos ng kopyahin. Okay. Yung mga tapos na magkopya, pwede nang mag-leave, picturean ng inyong notes para may plus kayo sa akin, ilagay sa GC. Picturean nyo yung notes nyo, ilagay sa GC. Very good kayo. Keep on practicing ha, para mabilis tayo. I-memorize nyo yung mga perfect square numbers. Binibilang ni Andrew, 15. Aray ka. Okay? Pwede na pong mag-leave yung tapos na picturean ang notes nyo, ilagay sa GC. Okay, goodbye everybody. Okay, goodbye everybody. Ang nagdan pa lang ay, ilan pa lang ha, yung iba hindi na nag-ano. Sige anak, sige, bye-bye. Namiss ko kayo. Namiss kong magklase. Andyan si Karen, nandyan pala. Ngayon ko lang nakita to si Karen. Okay, yung mga abangers ko, bukas mag-upload si ma'am ng video ha. Okay, class dismiss. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Ingat kayo mga anak.